We are doing DMR Ja number 4. Make sure you have got your last name and your first name and your class period. We are doing key concept number 1, and we're dealing with inequalities. When an inequality is multiplied or divided by a negative number, that inequality must be flipped. It's important. So we're going to work on this particular problem. If you are working on paper, please make sure that you are writing what I'm writing. So -8 is less than or equal to m divided by 10. We are going to move this 10 over across it. So in order to do that, I need to divide by 10. I'm dividing by a regular number, correct? So I don't have to change this sign. Oh, sorry, this is multiplication. To move a division, you do the opposite, which would be multiplying. Sorry, it's kind of, me. This is a division problem. The inverse of division is multiplication, not division. So I'm going to do -8 times 10, and I get -80. Since this is a positive 10, I don't need to flip the sign. So -80 is less than or equal to m. So -80 is less than or equal to m. The reflection portion. So I want to make sure that my students at school know that the reflection portion needs to include our lovely little number line, okay? So I've got -80. I've been giving you little tips and tricks. Is my letter in the correct place? No. So my tips and tricks, making the little arrow, does not work on this one. So I have to put in my little sample numbers. This will be -50. This one will be -100. Let's test and see which one works. So -80 is less than or equal to, let's go with -100. So is -80 less than 100? No, that one doesn't work. -80 is less than or equal to -50. Yes, that one does work. So I have a closed circle because of this line right here. Because of this line right here, that is a closed circle. And then my arrow needs to go this way because that will make all of it true. All right, we've done number 1. Please make sure that you've pushed pause and you have written this on your paper. This part is your reflection. I'm going to erase it now. So if you need to hit pause, hit pause. Key concept number 2, when an inequality is greater than and less than and not equal to, we've been doing this, use an open dot on the graph. So on this particular one, we've got our 6 1/2, and I'm looking right here. Is there a line there? No line. So it is an open circle. And I do love that my inequality is like this and my y is on the right way. So my arrow, if you're at school or if you're doing those on paper, it is important that you know more than just closed line. You need to know which way they go. So let's see. I need to push the right button. That's the button. It is open. Open. Hit submit. Make sure I'm right. Oh, I forgot to click one. I think that was it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Hit submit. I hope I'm remembering correctly. I guess I'll know in a minute. Yep, I was remembering correctly. So that is the answer to this one.